Good afternoon and welcome to the video for the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX Performance. This is absolutely beautiful. It's a 2020 70 plate, one owner bike, and it's done just over 1600 miles, in fact 1618. Now from the factory, the spec on these is fantastic. They're so nice to ride, really smooth. The latest Ninja SX comes with adjustable traction control, adjustable power modes, cruise control, quick shifter, auto blipper, which is basically a quick shifter but going down the box as well. This one's festooned in loads of extras, so as you can see, we've got a seat cowl there, a comfortable gel seat, a hugger, a Akrapovic exhaust, colour-coded panniers with the inner bags, heated grips, a touring screen, a fender extender. It's got some Kawasaki engine protectors there as well, just in case you did drop it. Full colour TFT dash. Have I missed anything, Mr. Cameraman?
I think that's about it. I think we've covered most.
Perfect. Really nice smooth bike to ride. They've got a silky smooth engine, one of my favourites. And it's pretty much as new. I don't think you'll find a spec on it. So, but with a big saving on new with just 1600 miles on it. So that's it. We're filming in HD. Hopefully you can see the quality of it. But if you want any more details or any closer photos, just give us a ring. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers. My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.